In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add screen recording to Control Center on iPhone. If you've ever wanted a quick way to capture what's happening on your screen, this is the fastest route. We'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow. Start by opening Control Center. On most recent iPhones, that's a swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Once Control Center is open, look to the top left area for a plus symbol labeled Add a Control. Go ahead and tap that. This takes you to the customization view where you can choose which tools appear in Control Center. Now, in the Add a Control list, find Screen Recording and tap it. The moment you tap, it's added to your Control Center. No extra confirmation needed. You're not recording yet. You've just made the shortcut available, so it's always within quick reach. Head back to Control Center and you'll notice Screen Recording has been added alongside your existing tiles. It typically looks like a solid dot inside a circle. That icon is your confirmation that the option is now on your iPhone and ready when you need it. Let's reinforce the flow so it sticks in your muscle memory. Swipe down again to open Control Center, tap the plus symbol in the top left, then tap Add a Control to revisit the list. Seeing this screen a second time helps you get comfortable with where everything lives. If you don't see Screen Recording under Add a Control anymore, that's normal. It means it's already added. In that case, just glance through your tiles back in Control Center and you'll spot the record icon there. Your changes save automatically, so you don't need to press anything else to keep them. From now on, the Screen Recording shortcut will stay in Control Center until you decide to change your setup. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. The exact location and appearance of the Add a Control button can vary slightly depending on your iOS version. So if something looks a little different, you're likely still in the right place. If Control Center doesn't open with a swipe down from the top right, try swiping up from the bottom edge instead, especially on older models. And remember, adding screen recording here doesn't start a recording. It simply puts the control at your fingertips for whenever you need it. That's the process. Open Control Center, tap the plus in the top left, choose Add a Control, and select Screen Recording. You've successfully added the screen recording option to your iPhone.